Company XO, Cadet Captain Renan Bert De Castro. First Platoon Leader, Cadet Captain John Benedict Cowell. Second Platoon Leader, Cadet Captain Ija Samuel Del Valle. ROTC Facilitator Commandant, Major Miguel Borrego, Infantry, Philippine Army. Chief Guard, Corporal Ronnie Credo, Infantry, Philippine Army. ROTC Coordinator, Mary Grace Pahornada. LSCP Head, Dr. Lori Tanhay. Band Advisor Coordinator, Carl Ariel Mosto. Major Trainer, Janet Aquino. Band Master Trainer, Carl Ariel Mosto and Mark 7 Briones. Ronnie Bertinas, Juan Pablo Ducado. Mortar Instructor, Carl Ariel Mosto. John Van Instructor, Mark 7 Briones. Entry number 41, University of
Thank you. Entry number 41, University of Batangas, State Hernandez Avenue, Naga City. Next entry. Entry number 40.